In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to an automation in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're new to ActiveCampaign or just looking to streamline your automation process, this guide will help you effectively integrate your contacts into your automation sequences. So, let's dive right in and simplify your email marketing efforts. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the contacts profile within ActiveCampaign. This is your starting point because each contact's profile contains all the necessary information and options you need to manage their interactions within your automation sequences. To start, head over to your ActiveCampaign dashboard and find the contact you wish to add to an automation. Click on their name and you'll be directed to a detailed profile page filled with valuable insights about their engagement history and personal information. Once you're on the contact's profile, your focus should shift towards the automation section. You'll need to scroll through the profile page until you find this section, which is a crucial area that allows you to view and manage the automations that are currently associated with that particular contact. This section holds the key to seamlessly adding your contact to new or existing automation campaigns. Now, look for the +Add button within the Automations section. Clicking on this button will open a list of available automations within your account. These automations are pre-configured sequences that can send emails, apply tags, and even update contact records, depending on your setup. Choose the automation that you wish the contact to be part of. Once you've found the right automation, click on its name to select it. This action ensures that you've picked the correct sequence to align with your marketing goals and strategies. After selecting the appropriate automation, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking the OK button. By doing so, you effectively link the contact to the selected automation, allowing them to interact with the sequence as per the defined criteria and actions within the automation. This step is essential, as it finally integrates the contact into the automation, marking their journey through your engagement process. Once confirmed, the contact will begin their journey through your automation. Depending on your automation setup, the contact will either start from the beginning, also known as the start trigger, or they might jump directly to a specific configured goal step. This positioning is determined by the conditions you've set within your automation. For instance, if you have goals or specific criteria that adjust where a contact lands in the sequence, they will either enter from the start or directly into the designated goal. And there you have it. By following these straightforward instructions, you've successfully added a contact to your automation in ActiveCampaign. This simple yet powerful process allows you to engage your contacts seamlessly, enhancing your email marketing campaigns with efficiency and precision. Now, you can go ahead and continue adding contacts to your automations, knowing you're building a dynamic and responsive marketing engine.